On behalf of the leadership and members of the New Black Movement of Africa, NBM, I felicitate with our revered Benin monarch and iconic Oba, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukuakpolokpolo, LYA II, on this auspicious occasion of His Majesty's 6th-year coronation anniversary. We also use this medium to formally rejoice with our Queen Essential Oba on this recent national recognition, Commander of the Federal Republic, CFR, presented to him by President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, an award the NBM believes was long overdue. NBM of Africa, whose aim and objective is to promote, preserve African culture and arts globally by striving to revive, retain, and modify, where necessary, those aspects of African culture would aim humanity irrespective of race. We appreciate Your Majesty's pragmatic efforts and innate diplomatic acumen in sustaining the development of African tradition and culture. We also appreciate Your Majesty's efforts in returning of the stolen artifacts back to Benin Kingdom. Your Majesty's reign has no doubt brought tremendous transformation and returned Benin Kingdom to its pride of place as the cultural and traditional hub of the black race. Long may you reign on the throne of your forebears. Long live the Benin Kingdom. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Umogun Gatokbe Ise. Signed, Olorogun Ese Kako, JP, National President, NBM of Africa Worldwide.